This workshop is more than a training. It is an opportunity to build partnership, exchange ideas, and advance our shared vision for a safer and more secure digital space for Uganda and the Eastern Africa region.
We now have a 2022-2026 cybersecurity strategy for Uganda. The tenets within that particular strategy are very clear. We have followed through those particular tenets, especially in the objective number 1 of making sure that you have a safer cyberspace in Uganda, but also making sure that you have got a trusted digital economy.
Uganda continue to be among the countries known for setting a high standard in digital innovation and regional cooperations, making it an ideal hosting city for this important event. We are encouraged by the strong participation from across Uganda's national institutions, security agencies, policy circles, and the youth.
We must build partnerships across sectors, empower our young people with digital literacy and awareness, and enhance our national and regional capabilities. It's now my singular honor to declare the Cybersecurity and Cyber-Terrorism Awareness Workshop open for God and my country.
Asante sana. Rudia tena.